Hello, dear friends. My name is Dr. Sandhya Khedekar. Today, we will learn how to record your lecture using Zoom. Nowadays, all the teachers and teacher educators are uploading the recorded videos of their lectures for online teaching learning process. So here I'll be showing some of the options which Zoom app is having and how effectively we can make our recorded lectures and how we can upload it for our students. So for this purpose, I'm sharing my screen with you all. Let us learn how. We will see how to do lecture recording in Zoom. I think all of you know how to do a login for zoom.us. What you have to do is just open any URL and go on zoom.us and create your account. It just you have to fill your basic information about yourself, your email ID, and create your own account. From this account, you can schedule your meetings also, and you can record your lectures. So pre-recorded lectures can be done in Zoom. So Zoom can be used for many purposes. You can have live sessions. You can contact with the students in meetings, and you can have a recording of your lectures also. So after logging in, what you have to do is just download the Zoom app from Google. Go on Google and download Zoom app. So this kind of icon will be available on your desktop. So when you click on this, I'll show it again. When you click on this icon of Zoom, blue color icon, two options will be there. That is join a meeting or sign in. Now I don't want to join any meeting right now of others. I just want to sign in into my account. So I will type my email ID here. That is my login ID. So after putting my email ID, I will type my password here. Okay. And I will just sign into Zoom account. So after signing in, you will get this kind of screen over here. So in this screen, what you have to do is you just go on the home, and in home there will be four options, that is new meeting, join, schedule, and share screen. Now I want to record my lecture for my students. What I will do is I will go on new meeting. So after going on new meeting, this kind of screen will be available. So if you want to open your video, you can open from here. Right now for demo purpose, I am not using it. What I will do is, I just want to record my lecture. So here on this option, here you can see some options are there. The left hand side is the microphone that you are using right now. Then start a video. If you click on start a video, your face will be visible. Some security options are there. You can see participant over here. Only one participant is there, that is me. Then chat box, share screen, record, and reactions. So here you have to use two options, that is share screen and record. For example, if I am sharing my screen here, it will ask me which screen you want to share. Okay, so I want to open this and I want to click on this PPT, and after clicking on this PPT will be visible to all, and I can explain to my students whatever I want to explain, whichever slides are there in this PPT. So you can see over here, just like we are using PPT, I am using this PPT and I can explain my students about whatever I want to tell them. So I think you got how to share the screen in this. Before that, here I can stop the screen sharing, but this is option for screen sharing. That means you can use PowerPoint presentation for recording your lecture. Now we will see how to record your lecture. Here is one option down, that is record. You have to click on this, and when you click on record, your voice will automatically get recorded here. And you can see the pause button is there, stop button is there. In between, if I want to pause, I can click on pause button. And if my recording is completed, then I can click on stop recording. So here I will start whatever I just spoken with you all. It got already recorded in Zoom because the record button is enabled. So I'll share screen here, and I will actually record few 2-3 slides for you. So we will come to know how it gets recorded. So my dear friends, today we will discuss about education and content development. You can see over here there are some objectives of this webinar, and we have to play lot many roles, and we have to use so many tools, e-tools for it, and there are many challenges in front of it. So now if my recording is over, so my whole lecture, whatever lecture I want to record, it is recorded. I will, here you can see down, stop share is there. Then if I want to pause share, it is possible to pause. And in more, you can see pause recording, stop recording, disable participants annotation. So many options are there. If I want to stop recording, I can stop here, or I can stop after going on the main screen. I can stop share here, it will get stopped. And on this recording, I will click on stop recording. When I click on stop recording, click on the end meeting button. So end meeting for all. When you end meeting, the recording of your lecture will automatically get saved. This kind of window will appear, and your recording will get saved. We will see how it looks. So it will take few seconds, or if the recording is bigger, that means for 1 hour or half an hour, it will get few minutes to record. So now this is saved, and you can see over here this kind of screen will be visible, and here Zoom.0 is my recorded video. So you can see it is a MP4 video. Automatically we will see the properties of it. You can see type of file, MP4 file, and it got saved automatically, and size of it is 0.98 MB, means very small size. So you can see, if I want to
show this video to my students. I can copy this video from here and I can paste to my pen drive, or I can paste to my Google Classroom. I can paste to my WhatsApp, and I can send to my students. So we will see how it looks when it got recorded. Okay, I'm clicking on the video. Just listen it, what it says. And when you click on record, the voice will automatically get recorded here. And you can see that the pause button is there, stop button is there. In between, if I want to pause, I can click on pause button. And if my recording is completed, then I can click on stop recording. So here I will speak here. Record few two slides for you. So maybe so many I will. So you can see this kind of video is created. It's very easy, my friends. If you are not familiar with other tools of recording, if you feel afraid of using other advanced tools for recording, Zoom is the best way, because when you want to record anything, it will allow you to share your screen. It will allow you to show some demos on Google also. It will allow you to record your voice plus your face. So when you on your video, your face will be visible on the screen. So this is very much possible in Zoom recording. So it is one of the wonderful tool you can use, and easily we can get MP4 video here. So this is one of the tool for recording the video.